Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Rocky Linux 10.0. By default we won't get the VS Code on Rocky Linux. So first to open the default browser that comes with Rocky Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then see here we have the RPM package, or click on download. See, you got the same RPM package. So click on this RPM package to download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 148 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install it. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads. ls. See here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh code. Give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it failed with dependency issues. So give the -no deps. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to applications. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, let me close this one. You can also open by giving code on the terminal. Hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so ls, we have successfully installed. This file is not recorded anymore, so give rm, give code, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Rocky Linux 10. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.